your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you owe me something. Now let's say you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Thank you for watching. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I put this wig on. But let me tell y'all, this is not a human hair wig. This is a synthetic wig. I know y'all couldn't tell because I really did what I needed to do with it. But I'm going to show y'all how I got this though. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. So here I'm just unboxing and showing you all what comes in the box. And first we have the wig itself, a dust bag for storage, a pouch, and a wig cap. And inside the pouch comes with bobby pins, some clips, an elastic band, a pair of tweezers, and also an edge brush. I can say that this hair was very soft to touch right out of the box. The lace and the knots were good. The knots were small. I'm just showing you the sides where there's not much lace. You see the tracks. Here you can see that the hairline is not thick at all. We have the inside of the cap, which has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and we also have adjustable straps.
Your price, just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you owe me something. Now let's say you owe me something. All you got to do is walk away and pass me by. Don't let none smile when I try to say hello to you.
All right, y'all. So this is the finished look. I think I ate. I really cannot believe this hair is synthetic. It does not feel or look synthetic. Because I would never, like, me and synthetic wigs, I just can't do it. But this one is so bomb. Look at the lace, y'all. I didn't spray down the edges simply because it's just tracks right there, really. And I added baby hair to make it look more natural. I plucked it, obviously. I clearly need to put more makeup right there. But overall, styling this hair was not hard at all. If I would have plucked the hair off camera, the installation would have been way faster. This hair is really like giving it to me. It's giving it to me. This color is amazing. So let me tell y'all about this hair. I'm so excited. So I was sent this wig from Gorgius Hair, and this is their honey cinnamon syrup wig in 26 inches. And the hair is heat resistant premium fiber hair. It takes heat to a max of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And the hair is sleek but not shiny. And I can attest to you that this hair is just that, and it does not look synthetic, y'all. Like, I'm gonna keep saying that because it don't look synthetic. So this is the hair all pulled to the front. This is where it falls on me. This is the hair from the side. And the hair from the back. Let's see, y'all. You seen how much I brushed this hair, and the original pattern is still there. Like, it's really just a brush and go. I really like this. I really want to get it in black because I love black hair, but this brown is eating. And I love it. So yeah, also I'm going to leave the link down to this hair in the description box, as well with the code that you can use for a discount when you purchase. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I did. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends so we can be cute together. I want to see y'all in this wig for real because it's that. And I want you to get this color too because it's that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.